Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. This is going to be my Friday morning beach report for North Naples, Florida. It's about 76 degrees, beautiful clear blue skies. These are the umbrellas at the Vanderbilt Beach Resort by the Turtle Club restaurant. And as you can see, it is definitely going to be an umbrella kind of morning. Gorgeous. The water is looking good, calming down. Gonna get up to, probably around 88 today. Some clouds rolling in later this afternoon. Right now it is spectacular. Hey, a quick shout out to our friends at Boat Naples, boatnaples.com. Visit their website, check out all of the awesome tours that they have to offer. And before making your reservation, give them a call, let them know that Rob from Southwest Florida Television told you about them, and you will be pleasantly surprised. They'll take care of you. boatnaples.com. Wish you were out here with me. I'll get you down closer to the water in a minute. I'm gonna take a little stroll down to the south, down by the Ritz Carlton. We did see some absolutely beautiful colors. Even with the clear skies, we get gorgeous colors early in the morning. This is north of me. This is up by the La Playa Resort, La Playa Beach Hotel. All of our hotels are open here. The Ritz, Vanderbilt Beach Resort, and La Playa. Okay, now I'm down at the south end of Vanderbilt Beach, down by the Ritz. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful colors here. And that sun is bright. Absolutely glorious. The water feels great too. Folks out enjoying the water. That's it, it's not looking bad. The water's not looking bad. It's a little cloudy. It was rough last week, but it's starting to calm down and clear up, and the tide's on its way in. Hit that share button if you're liking what you're seeing. Tell your friends about Southwest Florida Television. I love sharing our beach with you. If you enjoy the beach, tune in for the live feeds of my morning beach walks here. Right now they're starting between 7:30 and 8 o'clock. They'll be starting an hour earlier come November 5th. It's a great way to start your day. You can find those on Southwest Florida Television's Facebook page. I mean, all in all, it is going to be an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous beach morning here in North Naples. All of Southwest Florida. A little bit of a breeze coming from the east, northeast. Not very crowded right now. This is our quiet time. Gotta love it. In January, it's going to look a lot different. You can see the flags blowing over here. Getting a little puff of wind every now and then. Oh, I wish you were here. not looking bad at all. Gotta get my toes out there. Gotta get in that water again. I like this view. What is it? The water looks a little cleaner, a little clearer, not cleaner, clearer down here at the south end of Vanderbilt than it did earlier up at the north end. Love it. I love it. I love it. That blue sky is just incredible. Well, yesterday evening, Thursday evening, we had a great sunset cruise with our friends at Boat Naples. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh, look at that. Some photos that I took. Gorgeous. I'd love to have you on board with us. If you'd like to join us, this is something special we're doing for Southwest Florida Television for me and my friends. Call or text that number on the screen to get on board with us on Thursday evenings. $40 a person right now till the end of November. Complimentary beer and wine. A lot of fun to be had by all. A slancha Irish whiskey toast at sunset. Awesome. BoatNaples.com. Well, it's always nice to pick up on people's conversations as they walk by. Another look up the beach. Again, hit that share button if you're liking what you're seeing. If you're watching on Facebook and if you appreciate my efforts, I do get out here early in the morning. Send some stars on Facebook. I get a penny for each star that you send. Hey, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb Stan. May God bless you, your family, and God bless America. Tally-ho, tally-ho.